OnlyFans welcome message and some OnlyFans welcome message ideas. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be going over what you should and should not be doing in your welcome message on OnlyFans, Fanvue, Fanvue, on every single platform, what you really should be doing, some ideas, okay? But before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below, or at least just give the video a thumbs up, because it absolutely helps the channel so I can continue to make as much content for you guys as possible. And if you need help growing your OnlyFans, Fanvue business, please reach out to me on Instagram or Telegram, whatever is more convenient for you. That link for both of them will be in the video description down below, so I can help you grow your business with promotion, Twitter management, Reddit management services, and more. So let's get into it. I am going to be giving you the information that I give to my paying coaching clients for free right here on YouTube. And that biggest thing that I always tell my clients, and for the newbies that are on here, because I do have a lot of newbie clients as well, they don't even realize that you can send a welcome message. So if you guys are not that new, you can fast forward a little bit until we really get to the good stuff. But this is something that I have to make sure that you guys understand as newbies. We actually have the capabilities to automatically send welcome messages to every single fan. And if you have watched any of my other videos, which you absolutely should, you know that the DMs and chatting is the biggest way for us to make money on the platform. So you always want to make sure that you open up the conversation to every single fan that comes onto your page as soon as they come onto your page, because at the end of the day, your fans are actual customers. This is a business, guys, okay? So your welcome message is super easy to find. All you have to do is go to settings, then you go to chats, and that is where you will be able to see that you have the capabilities for a welcome message, and you just toggle it on so that way, and obviously you have to create it. We will go over the ideas in just 1 second, but that is how you can send a welcome message. And another very helpful tip for you newbies is that this welcome message will automatically go to every single fan separately into their DMs. So what I want you to be doing is every single welcome message and every single mass DM. I have a video for mass DM, so look out for that too if you don't know what I mean by that. You always want to make sure you are writing your message as if you are only speaking to one fan. About 95% of fans don't realize that our welcome messages are automated, or even that our mass messages aren't sent to every single person. They think that they are getting those messages directly to them. So to have your page as optimized and refined as possible, you want to make sure that your welcome message and even your mass DMs are always worded as if you are just speaking to one person. So it's not going to be, hey guys, thanks so much for subscribing to my page. Absolutely not. It is going to be, hey babe, hey cutie, however you are going to talk to your fans, that is natural to you. So it is going to be a hey babe, a hey cutie, or whatever verbiage you want to use, so that you are only speaking to one fan at that time. Then it's going to be, I'm so excited you are here with me. I can't wait to get to know you, okay? So everything again is singular, as if you were speaking to only one fan. Now, to bring this now further into like the real good stuff, is even if, and I say this again to all of my coaching clients, okay? Even if you have a free page or a paid page, I always have my clients have a locked welcome message, okay? Now, absolutely for a free page, okay? If you are having fans enter your page for free, every single part of your page should be optimized and monetized. And I go thoroughly over this with my coaching clients, but I am giving you some of this information right now, okay? So your welcome message for a free page absolutely has to have locked content. Now, what I suggest in the welcome message is, because they subscribed, they can get a little bit of, like a discount, or, they can feel like they're getting just something a little bit more special as opposed to what you might charge for your PPVs. If you don't know what PPVs are, check out my other, videos on YouTube. So, let's say you had a picture package or a video that you might have been selling for $20 or $25, let's say. Because they subscribed, you can give them a little bit of a discount, just as a thank you for subscribing. But you are never, and again, especially with a free page, going to be giving them free stuff in the welcome message or really on the page at all. So, I do have a lot of newbie clients that they're just like happy that they got subscribers, so they'll give, a free spicy picture as a welcome message. Absolutely not. You are missing the opportunity to make more money and even passive money on your page, because when you set up your welcome message, it's literally kind of like a set it and forget it. And that way you can continuously make money on your page and you have this particular content locked and selling. Now, realistic expectation, guys, though, if you have 100 fans, if 2 to 5% of those fans unlock and open the welcome message, that is actually a good conversion rate. So please have realistic expectations. But if your welcome message is less than about like a 2 or 1% open rate, what I am going to, and I always suggest to my paying clients, is you want to test it out a little bit, okay? This is a business, so you always want to make sure you are testing out what works best in your business. So let's say you put your welcome message at $40, right? And you are at a 1 or 2% conversion rate below that. You then test it out. Maybe put the welcome message for $30 or $35. If you now start getting more conversion rates, then you want to leave it at that, okay? Because another thing that I say to my paid coaching clients is, would you rather have one fan open it up for $40, or would you rather have 10 fans open it up for $25 or $30? I'm pretty sure everyone wants the more conversion rates so they can continue to just make more money. So absolutely test it out. But even on a paid page, now I understand a lot of people, and I go over this in my coaching, so I'm not gonna be giving you all of that information on this video, so I also could stay on track for what the video is. But a lot of clients also, they think because, they have a VIP page, that means that everything has to be given away for free. Absolutely not. I still recommend that my fans still have a lower subscription price on their VIP page, and they still can, be able to make some sales on the page with custom content or even with their welcome message. So I really want to make sure that you guys understand that. And again, especially my girls that have free pages, because I cannot tell you how many times I onboard my clients. They want to start with a free page, which I absolutely think is a great idea, especially in the beginning. And then I go and I do a page audit for them, because I do have those services for a page audit. I directly go to their welcome message and they have a free spicy picture saying, "Thanks for subscribing." Absolutely not, guys, okay? So if you want even more thorough details on exactly what converts the best in the welcome message, then absolutely reach out to me on Instagram or Telegram so we can hop on a one-to-one coaching call and I can give you personalized and customized advice on how you can make real money on Onlyfans and Fansly and be able to grow that money, okay? So I really hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.